Welcome to DED and LSIU Annual Examination 2020 online examination process. Please log into the website ded.nls.ac.in and click on Login here. Log in with the credentials provided to you that you have registered with the Distance Education Department and click on Login. On the right hand side after logging in, you will find Useful Links widget. Click on Annual Exam 2020 Online Submission. In this page, validate the subject and click on Join Exam. This will prompt you to open the Zoom application that is installed on your laptop or a desktop. Please log in with the same user login credentials that you used to log into EdKemi. Please wait, as you will be in the waiting room till the DED and LSIU proctor allows you to join the online proctoring mode. Ensure your camera, microphone and audio are in place. Produce your identity card for the proctor to verify and approve for you to take the online examination. Once approved, you will be able to download the question paper by clicking Download Question Paper. Choose the type, either writing or typing as you have chosen earlier. Upon completion, to upload the answer paper, click on Submit Answer Paper. Please attach the document from the source. Click on the mandatory checkbox and click on Submit Answer Paper. Once submitted, you will see a confirmation message that you have successfully submitted the answer paper. And you will also receive a notification through SMS after the exam timings are completed. Thank you.